I don't know how you guys, but me after COVID I'm shedding like crazy, like literally, I don't know, it's just crazy. I've been getting from you guys so many requests to do updated dermarolling lip video, and we're gonna make this lip today a little bit bigger. You know, guys, you can do this with the Dermaroll. I'm going to be using Janamber Beauty 0.25 millimeter Dermaroller, real individual needle Dermaroller, which is the best on the market, I swear, hands down. I'm going to be starting with a very, very simple, it's going to be super quick video. I want to go straight to the point. Disinfection, it is very, very, very important. And here I have Janamber Beauty Natural Foam Therapy, which is the best, actually, disinfectant on the market. It's the same. It is not irritating your skin. It is actually made with stabilized oxygen. Ditch that alcohol and get this, because this is so much better. This is so much more natural for your skin. You can use on the skin, and I'm gonna be disinfecting actually my lips and around the lips, where I'm gonna be using Dermaroller. You can leave it. Some of you say, Jen, this is kind of like sticky and stuff like this. You can remove it, you can leave it. It's really up to you, but I'm just applying like everywhere. It's super, super safe. You can wash vegetables, fruits with this, waiting a little bit for that to sit in. And meanwhile, this is already like melting. I'm gonna wait until this melt, and then I can start dermarolling my lips. And why to dermaroll lips? Because it actually boosts collagen production and boosts circulation, boosts oxygen, boosts elastin production, and then you get plumper, beautiful, nicer, kind of juicier lips. You can actually do this instead of getting lip fillers. I used to get lip fillers before, but I'm not doing that anymore. First of all, it's not healthy injecting anything in your body. In my mind, I'm not against if someone of you guys doing it, it's okay, whatever you do, but in my mind, in my health, in my world, this is not healthy anymore. I used to do this. Yes, I was there where I was insecure, feeling really, really bad, and I wanted to have bigger lips. But at the end of the day, right now, I do not get my lips done. As you see, super small, super skinny. So what I'm doing, I'm wiping off directly from my lips, below and above my lips, and I apply a little bit around, because sometimes if you have those like smoker lines or marionette lines, we kind of gonna take everything all together. Just letting you know, guys, that I'm a little bit sad today. I kind of don't feel like entertaining anyone. I feel emotionally a little bit off, because last week we had a break-in in our house and we had robbery. My jewelry was stolen. It's nothing related with what they took, the thief or thieves. I don't know how many people were here. We were at home, and when we came back, we found someone broke in through the window, and actually my jewelry was stolen. 2 of my diamond rings and my diamond necklace, which I really, really loved and adored. And you know, it's not about the money, it's about that is sentimental gifts. And actually it's kind of unsafe right now in my house. I'm always like paranoid. I hear some noise, I'm like, what could have happened if I was at home and my boyfriend wasn't here? And I just kind of feel sad, because it's gated community, cameras are everywhere, nobody knows like what happened, nobody's seeing. Other neighbors have in the same community also break in, so someone watching us, I kind of feel someone was watching all the time or something like that. It just feel really, really weird. I don't know if any of you went through like something like that, similar, that you were robbed or burglary or something like that. I just feel really unsafe right now. It's just probably just mental. It's nothing to do. We have cameras, we finally installed cameras and everything like that. It's just, I feel personally unsafe, so I kind of feel a little bit off energy. So excuse me if you kind of feel that I'm like boring or something like that, but I'm here to help you, and let's make this lip, both lips bigger. So foam, as you see right now, as I'm showing you, kind of like melted and is at the bottom. And when you take the foam like that, you can actually take your cloth. I usually have a separate cloth that I wipe my face, so I can do a little bit like that. This is just random from Beauty Buy or something like that. Just get different cloth. I don't recommend towel, just different cloth that specifically you dry your face after you wash your face. So how I will do, I actually, before going to the lips, I will Dermaroll around. I will start always from the top, going lower, then I'm gonna do a horizontal, then vertical lines. I'll go all around the lips, and then at the end I'm gonna go to the lips. So you can take your Dermaroller right now. I'm using 0.25. I know if you were asking me, Jen, can I start with 0.5? No, you can start with 0.25, do at least 10-20 sessions. After that, you can go to 0.5. Remember that lips are very, very sensitive. We have very, very thin skin. If you don't disinfect your hands, disinfect, I highly recommend it. I did already, but this is just a reminder that the more the better. It's okay. This is really great product. Stabilized oxygen is really amazing. Disinfects over here, I can insert what it disinfects. 99% of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and stuff like this. You can actually use those on the wounds. If I have a cut or some wound, I apply this and actually heals much faster. So this ingredient, sodium chloride, it's really not, I can't say word healing, but helps to shrink like wounds, helps basically when you have a cut or you have something going on, there's most likely bacteria is trapped somewhere, so it helps to like kill all kind of bacteria and stuff like this. So all right, I'm taking Dermaroller, starting with the top. Many of you asking what kind of pressure. I mean pressure, like let's say you will shave your legs, not too much, but not also that you don't feel anything. You want to feel something, right? And this spot on the top of the lip is very sensitive. You might gonna sneeze, you might gonna feel like prickling, tingling sensation, like kind of bee stinging or something like that. That's totally normal. So I go probably like 20 times, then I go 20 times below. Don't be afraid to, if something gonna go in, you can Dermaroll on the top of that. I don't recommend to Dermaroll on top of that, but if you still have some foam left or comes through the Dermaroller or something like that, it's fine, don't be afraid. So I'm going then here. It's kind of will be weird to Dermaroll just like that. See, I'm just gonna do up and down. So I'm just going now side, horizontal over here below the lip. Plumping, you know, bringing the blood flow, collagen and elastin production everywhere around the lip. So also probably go 20 times. Always make sure you lift. Here, this place is not very much like sensitive, so I'm applying a little bit more pressure. I notice my skin is much more sensitive when I'm stressed, so lately I kind of feel unsafe in my house because of this rubbery. And I don't know, if someone of you had a rubbery, let me know. How did you deal? Yeah, we filed a police report. So far they don't have anything, they're investigating, but it's just kind of just weird moment that I came back and my underwear, my panties, my bras, my socks, everything was taken out of the drawers. Like I have, you know, toys, like adult toys, they were touched and stuff like this. I'm like, I don't know who touched these things and what they did and what they took and stuff like this. I just kind of like, just feel unsafe. I think I did 20 times. And now on the side, I'm going so up and down. You don't wanna, you can kind of do it, but I'm always preaching like, don't go up and down because your Dermaroller needle go in the same exact spot instead of like pinching multiple spots. So I always kind of go lift, like if you wanna go up, lift. If it's easier for you to go down, you can go down. I prefer up. It's kind of chi flow, everything lift. And of course, after that, you want to make sure you're gonna be avoiding sun for at least 48 hours. Perfectly will be 72 hours. Make sure it's SPF hat and lip balm. Now about the lip balm, before using Dermaroller, so I did 20 times. You can apply lip balm, make sure that it's natural, organic, non-irritating, non-drying, without fragrance, parabens, perfumes, and stuff like this. You can apply before Dermaroller, you can apply after, or you do not need to apply anything. Maybe you have a lip mask, maybe you have a sheet mask that hydrates your skin. So right now I did 20 here, 20 here, 20 here, and 20 here. So I'm gonna go on the lips. I'm not gonna make any kind of faces, it's just a little bit slightly like, and if you have bigger lips, you wanna go maybe on the top lip, bottom lip. I'm going on the both. But don't do this. Lift, lift. I have a lip balm. This is not launched yet, but it's Manuka honey. It's really great, healing and natural, organic, super safe. Just few ingredients. This is what I'm gonna be applying after. Subscribe to my newsletters if you want to know, if you want to be notified when we're gonna be launching this. Probably gonna be launched in 2 months from now. So I'm dermarolling this probably 20-30 times, and then up also as well, since I'm gonna have to like do 20 here, 20 here, 20 here. Right now you can actually already, when you dermaroll, you can apply a little bit more pressure, so it's like 20 times here. I'm not counting, guys, you counting, okay? And then middle. It's a little bit uncomfortable. Not much. And then I don't know if I did 20. Make sure you have your lips closed because you don't want to accidentally dermaroll your enamel. That's not really good for your teeth. So, and then I'm gonna go one more time. Pressing, kind of pressing much more. You can apply finger here if you want. And you can actually do this every other night, every 3 nights, once a week, twice a week, once a month, twice a month. The most that you can use the size for the lips is maybe no more than 3 times a week. Okay, and you can maybe next time Dermaroll just lips. This is like super advanced. I'm showing you how to use it, everything. But look at this right now, guys. Even my teeth look whiter, right? So, like that. So what I'm doing, I'm actually taking this natural Manuka honey hydrating lip balm. That's gonna be from my brand. And basically, guys, that's it. When you're done with Dermaroller, you want to apply more foam. Leave it this over the night. Tomorrow you can rinse it, or you don't have to rinse it. Then close with a lid. After this is melted, you're gonna see this is going to evaporate, and then you're just not gonna have nothing left in the morning. So that's it for now. Hopefully I help someone. If you want to have this juicy, beautiful, sexy lips, you can do Dermaroller at home. I love you guys so much. Let me know down in the comment below if you have any questions. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I see you in my next video. Bye! Make sure you get cameras in your house. Make sure you lock your doors, all your windows, especially before you travel somewhere else. Make sure that you have someone that comes, checks on your house. Leave the lights on when you leave over the night, and if you're not at home at night, make sure you take care of your property better than I did. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!